I am Ria. I am one of the puppets in today's video. I hope you enjoy the puppet show very much and also you learn from it because learning is very important. I hope you all are safe and you are staying at home. Thank you everyone. Let's proceed with the video. Bye.
Hello students, welcome to the online EVS class. I hope you all are attending your online classes properly. And if you have not attended your previous classes, you can watch your classes in YouTube. Okay? So attend your classes, previous classes, and whatever homework your teachers give, you have to do. Okay? So in the last class, we have learned about bones. And today we are covering day 4 of unit 1. In today's class, we will learn about another internal organs, muscles, joints. In today's class we will learn. Okay. So let's recap of the last class. I have told you in the last class about bones, that we have many bones in our body and all the bones join together and form a skeleton. Okay, we have same structure of bones, means we all have a skeleton inside our body. Okay, bones protect our organs and give shape and support to our body. You can please open your student reader book SR 6. You can see in this picture there are many major bone in our body. There are so many major bone in our body. You can see first is skull, rib cage, backbone. This is our backbone. Leg bone and arm bone. Skull protects our brain. Rib cage, this is our rib cage. It is like a cage. यह एक पिंजरे के समान है. Rib cage protects our heart and lungs. This is our backbone. Backbone give support to our body. These are leg bone and arm bone. Leg bone and arm bone give shape to our hands and legs, and we can move with the help of these bones. Okay students, let me check your understanding what you have learned in your previous classes. I will ask you some question and you will answer them. Okay, my first question is, we can see and touch our internal organs. I am repeating again, we can see and touch our internal organs. Yes or no? What is the right answer? No, we cannot see and touch our internal organs because these are inside our body. Okay, now my next question is, our heart is inside our skull. Our heart is inside our skull. This is our skull. Yes or no? No, our heart is on the left side of our chest. Where is our heart located? Our heart is on the left side of our chest. Now I am asking my next question. Our stomach helps digest the food. I am repeating again. Our stomach helps digest the food. Yes or no? Yes, our stomach helps digest the food. Digest means खाने का पाचन. Now I am delivering my next question. Our lungs help us to breathe. our lungs help us to breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. Yes or no? Yes, our lungs help us to breathe. Okay, now next question is, forehead helps us to think and learn. Forehead helps us to think and learn. What is the answer? Yes or no? No. Brain helps us to think and learn. Right answer is brain helps us to think and learn, because brain is the boss of our body. Who is the boss of our body? Brain. Okay students, you have to answer me in one word now. Okay, I will ask some question. My first question is, I am the boss of your body. Who is the boss of our body? Brain. Brain is the boss of our body because brain controls all the body parts. Second question is, I protect your brain. Which bone protect our brain? Skull. Skull protects our brain. Skull is like a helmet and it protects our brain. My third question is, I support you to stand properly. Which bone support us to stand properly, students? Yes, our backbone supports our body to stand properly. Okay? Students, do you know a child has how many bones in their body? Yes, a child has around 270 bones in the body, and an adult has 206 bones. Okay, now tell me, can we eat without bending our arm? Think about it. Can we eat without bending our arm? Yes or no? No, we can't eat. We have to bend our arm so that our hand reaches our mouth. Okay? The place where two bones meet is called joint. The place where two bones meet is called joint. जिस प्लेस पर दो बोन्स एक साथ मिलते हैं उस प्लेस को जॉइंट कहते हैं. देयर आर मैनी जॉइंट्स इन आवर बॉडी. वी कैन फील दिस जॉइंट्स ऑल्सो. स्टूडेंट्स, you can see in your student reader book. Please open your book, SR 7. You can see in SR 7 there are many joints. First, neck joints. The neck joints helps us turn and see things. The neck joint helps us turn and see things. जो neck joint है उसकी हेल्प से हम अपने चारों तरफ हम अपने neck को मूव करा सकते हैं. Second one is elbow joint. Elbow and knee joint. Elbow and knee joints help us move our arms and legs. Elbow and knee joint की हेल्प से हम अपने आर्म और लेग को मूव करा सकते हैं. Third one is wrist and ankle joint. Wrist and ankle joints. Wrist and ankle joints help us move our hands and feet. Wrist and ankle joint की हेल्प से हम अपने हैंड और फीट को मूव करा सकते हैं. One more joint, finger and toe joint. Finger and toe joints. Finger and toe joints help us grip things. Finger और toe joints की हेल्प से हम किसी भी चीज़ को grip कर सकते हैं. Okay? So students, these are harder part. Bones and joints are the harder parts. Okay students, let us learn about muscles. Our bones cannot move on their own. They are covered with tissues. Bones are covered with tissues. They are called muscles. You can touch and feel some softer part, है ना. ये जो soft part है वो muscles है skin के नीचे. Our bones are covered with tissues. They are called muscles. Muscles are soft and they cover our bones. our muscles help us to move our bones and bend at the joints. मसल्स ही हेल्प करते हैं हमारे बोन्स को मूव कराने में एंड जॉइंट की प्लेस पर बेंड कराने में हेल्प करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू नो देयर आर more than 600 muscles, different muscles in our body. 600 से भी ज़्यादा different types के muscles हैं हमारी bodies में. Some are big and some are small. Okay, and the muscles in our body are covered with a layer of skin. ये जो muscles हैं वो भी skin की layer से covered है. जो bones है वो मसल्स से कवर होता है, उसके बाद जो मसल्स हैं उसके ऊपर एक स्किन की लेयर होती है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ सी योर स्टूडेंट रीडर बुक lesson 7. You can see in this picture there are many muscles in our body. Some are big while some are small. We have face muscles, arm muscles and leg muscles. Face muscles that help us to smile and frown. Arm muscles, these are the muscles that used to lift heavy things. Leg muscles help us to sit, stand and walk properly. Okay? It is the muscle which help us to smile, frown and yawn, etc. Okay students, do you know which is the smallest muscle in our body? Yes, smallest muscle in our body is inside our ear. Okay, and do you know if we blink our eye, we move to more than 200 muscles at one time. Okay, एक बार में हम अपने 200 मसल्स यूज़ करते हैं अगर हम एक बार अपनी आईज़ ब्लिंक करते हैं. Okay students, so students, bones, joints and muscles together help us move. Bones, muscles और joints तीनों मिलकर हमारी बॉडी को मूव करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Students, when we grow, it is actually our bones and muscles growing. हम सोचते हैं कि हम ग्रो कर रहे हैं, हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, बट नो, हमारे बोन्स और मसल्स ग्रो करते हैं जिससे हमारी बॉडी ग्रो होती है. ओके, बट स्टूडेंट्स, वी कैन मेक श्योर दैट आवर मसल्स एंड बोन्स will grow fast and remain in good condition if we eat healthy food daily, exercise daily and maintaining a correct posture in our routine. What is the meaning of correct posture? What is the meaning of posture? Posture means the way we sit, walk and stand. हमें सही तरीके से बैठना चाहिए when we attending the class, stand, sit properly. जब हम चलते हैं तो हमें करेक्ट पॉस्चर में चलना चाहिए, अपने शोल्डर और बैकबोन को स्ट्रेट करके, है ना. और जब हम खड़े होते हैं हमें करेक्ट पॉस्चर में खड़े होना चाहिए. ओके, दिस विल मेक अवर मसल्स एंड बोन्स प्रॉपरली ग्रो. Now come to the next topic, students. Taking care of our body. It is given in your SR 8. Taking care of our body. In our last class we have learnt about external body parts and internal body parts. But student, we cannot live a healthy life if any of these body parts do not work well. अगर इनमें से कोई भी बॉडी पार्ट, एक्सटर्नल बॉडी पार्ट या इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट अगर अपना वर्क प्रॉपरली नहीं करेगा तो हम एक अच्छी हेल्दी लाइफ नहीं जी पाएंगे. ओके, सो व्हाट शुड वी डू? वी नीड टू फॉलो सम हेल्दी हैबिट्स इन आवर डेली लाइफ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टू बी हेल्दी एंड फिट वी शुड फॉलो सम हेल्दी हैबिट्स एंड प्रोटेक्ट आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स. प्लीज ओपन योर student reader book SR 8. Some healthy habits given in this page. I will explain you. First, bath and wash. To keep the body clean and safe from germs and diseases, you should bath daily. Wash your hands before and after every meals and regularly. This will protect us from falling sick, जिससे हम बीमार नहीं होंगे अगर हम रेगुलरली अपना हैंड वॉश करेंगे. दिन में 3 or 4 टाइम we should wash our hands. Okay. Second one is play and be active. Play outside sports but in safe manner. Do not play on the road or in the streets because vehicles are moving there. So do not play unsafe place. Okay. Always play in the park or inside area. Okay. This will keep, if we exercise daily, if we play outside sports, these exercises will keep our bones, muscles, lungs and brain healthy. Third one is take rest properly. Sleep for 8 to 9 hours a day so that our brain, we can rest our brain and body. Fourth one is eat balanced food. To keep our body parts healthy, we should eat balanced food always. Okay? In all our meals. जब भी हम खाना खाएं हमें हेल्दी फूड खाना चाहिए, जो हमारी बॉडी को जिसकी ज़रूरत है वो खाना चाहिए, लाइक फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, सैलेड एक्सेट्रा. ओके. And most important thing, students, drink plenty of water. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day for our stomach to stay clean. हमारे स्टमक को क्लीन रखने के लिए और प्रॉपरली वर्क करने के लिए हमें डेली 7 to 8 glasses of water पीना चाहिए, जितनी हमारी बॉडी को ज़रूरत है. Now see SR 9 topic is staying safe. Students, in your previous classes you have learned about staying safe at home and in the school. Let us recall the steps we can take in the school. Okay. First, when you go to school by bus, always form a line and do not keep your hands outside of the bus. Always keep your hands inside the bus. Okay. Always make your class buddy and always be with him or her. Don't push each other and do not throw things in your class. Always go washroom with your buddy and come fast from there. Okay. And in the lunch time when you play, always play with your buddy and don't go far away areas. अपने स्कूल से दूर के एरिया में नहीं खेलना है, अपने स्कूल के बाउंड्री में ही हमेशा खेलना है. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, you should also know about safety from bad touch. In your last class, you have learned about 4 private body parts. If you feel a bad touch from someone anywhere, you have to follow 3 steps. First, say no very loudly and clearly. Second, run away from there and go home. Third, tell your parents everything about it or any family members. Okay, so keep these things in your mind. And students, you have to be safe in public places also. Public places means where anyone can go. There are many public places like parks, railway station, airports, school, hospitals, etc. So you always have to be safe in public places and always stay with your parents or with your elders in crowded area. Okay. Now students, how to be safe on the road. When you have to go another place, you have to walk on the road or cross the road. So it is important to follow the rules to be safe on the road. While walking on the road, there are a lot of vehicles moving on the road at a high speed. So it is important to walk on the footpath, and if there is no footpath, you have to walk on the side of the road. Okay, when you cross the road, always use zebra crossing. Okay, and students, never talk to the strangers. Strangers are people who we do not know. Okay, never accept food, sweets or chocolates etc. from them. Okay, now I will show you a puppet show. I hope you will enjoy. Okay. Okay students, now Riya will come and tell you about the incident happened to her. One day when she was playing in the park, what happened with her? Let's see. Okay. Hello little girl. Hello Aditi.
Uncle, my name is not Aditi. My name is Riya.
Okay. Your name is Riya.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like chocolates? Riya, do you like chocolates?
Yes, uncle. I love chocolates very much.
Okay. I have lots of chocolates. Come with me. I'll give you lots of chocolates. Come.
This uncle is luring me into going with him. I have to do something. No, uncle, I don't want any chocolates. My mama says children who eat chocolate gets their teeth bad. So
Okay.
I won't take any chocolates.
Okay, you are a very good girl, Riya.
Thank you, uncle.
Okay. Riya, at my home, I have so many toys also.
Oh,
So
wow,
many
uncle.
different toys.
I love toys. I also have so many toys at my home.
Come now, I'll give you all the toys which I have. Come with me.
This uncle is again trying to lure me in. I should do something. Wait, uncle. No, I don't want any toys. I have enough toys at home. I want to play in park only.
Oh, this girl is looking so smart. What should I do to take her with me? Yes, I have an idea. Riya,
Yes, uncle.
your mama is standing outside the park.
Outside? Is she
Yes.
outside?
Yes.
She told me that she'll come to the park and take me home.
No, she asked me to bring you from the park. Come,
Okay.
I'll take you to your mama.
No, wait. Mama said not to go with any strangers anywhere. What should I do? Okay. I'm sorry, uncle. When my mama will come, then only I'll go with her. Go from here.
Hmm?
I said go from here or I'll start
Oh.
shouting and
I should go. Run.
yes.
Did you see, na children, what happened with Riya and how she handled the situation? You also have to keep this thing in your mind. Okay? कभी भी ऐसे सिचुएशन में आपको घबराना नहीं है और हमेशा ये बात याद रखनी है कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको क्या बोला है. ओके? Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.